This is James. He is 38 years old. He works at an accounting firm. He makes lunches the night before. He irons his daughter's uniform on Sunday evenings for the whole week. Tonight, he is unpacking his daughter's backpack when he finds a folded note. It reads, "Dear parent, I would like to meet with you about Grace. Please come in Thursday at 4 p.m. Miss Clara, room 7. James reads it twice.
Grace, come here, please.
Did I do something wrong?
Your new teacher wants to meet me.
Oh,
Is there something I should know first?
she asks a lot of questions.
What kind of questions?
About home, about who makes my lunch, about who tucks me in.
What did you tell her?
The truth.
The classroom is bright. Drawings on every wall. Small chairs in a circle. A reading corner with beanbags and a low shelf of books.
Mr. James Calloway, Grace's father.
Thank you for coming. Grace is a wonderful student, bright, attentive, always on time.
Good. That's good.
But I asked you here because I've noticed something.
What kind of something?
During free drawing time, the other children draw their families, houses with gardens, weekend trips, birthday parties. Grace always draws the same picture. She draws this every week, the same 2 figures, always just the 2 of you.
Is that a problem?
No. But when I asked her about the picture, she said something that stayed with me.
What did she say?
She said, "My daddy is the whole picture. There's no room for anyone else because he fills it all up." I thought that was beautiful. But also, a 7-year-old carrying that much awareness of her family's situation, it tells me she is working through something. Something big.
Her mother passed away 4 years ago.
I know. It's in her file. I'm sorry.
Grace was 3. She doesn't remember much. But she asks questions sometimes, small ones, out of nowhere.
What kind of questions?
Last week she asked me if her mother would have liked her teacher. I didn't know what to say.
What did you say?
I said yes, because her mother loved anyone who was kind to Grace.
That was exactly the right answer.
James expected a problem, a complaint, a difficult conversation. What he gets is something else entirely.
Mr. Calloway. Grace is doing well academically. That's not why I called you in.
Then why?
During group activities, Grace helps every other child before herself. If someone is stuck on a question, she waits. If someone is crying, she goes to them first. She brought her own snack to a child who forgot his. Twice.
That sounds like her.
It's lovely. But it also worries me. Children who feel responsible for the happiness of the adults around them often become caretakers instead of children. They stop asking for things. They stop needing things, at least out loud. Does Grace ask for things at home? Does she tell you when she is sad?
She's very settled, calm.
Or she has learned to be calm because she thinks you need her to be?
She's 7.
Yes. And she already knows that you carry a lot. Children feel that even when we don't tell them.
Grace is setting the table. She does this every evening without being asked. She puts out 2 plates, 2 glasses, 2 forks, always 2. James watches her from the doorway.
Grace.
Dinner ready?
Almost. Come sit down for a minute. Your teacher told me about the drawings, the ones you make every week, with just the 2 of us.
Does she not like them?
She loves them. She thinks you're wonderful.
Then, why are you making that face?
What face?
The face where you're about to say something hard.
Grace, do you ever feel like you have to be okay? Because of me?
What do you mean?
Like, do you feel like you can't be sad at home because you don't want to make Daddy sad too?
Sometimes.
You can always be sad here. You know that?
But then you get the worried eyes.
The worried eyes are okay. That's just what daddies look like when they love you.
It makes me feel bad. When you look like that.
Oh, baby. Your feelings are not supposed to protect me. It's supposed to be the other way around.
Miss Clara said something like that today. She said feelings are like guests. You have to let them in, or they knock louder.
She's right.
I think I've been not answering the door.
Then let's start answering it. Together.
That night, James reads 2 chapters instead of 1. When he closes the book, Grace is still awake, looking at the ceiling.
Daddy,
Hmm?
do you miss Mommy?
Every day.
Does it hurt?
Sometimes. But not the way it used to. Now it feels more like missing someone on a trip. You know they're somewhere. You just can't call them.
I miss her too, even though I don't remember her.
That's allowed.
Miss Clara asked me today if I have someone to talk to about big feelings. I said I have you. But I also said sometimes I don't tell you the big ones.
What did she say?
She said the big ones are the most important ones to share.
She's a good teacher.
I like her. She talks to me like I'm a real person.
You are a real person.
Some grown-ups talk to kids like we're just small and don't understand things.
You understand most things better than adults.
I know. Daddy, next time I have a big feeling, can I just come and tell you, even if it makes you make the worried face?
Especially then.
Okay. Good night.
Good night, my whole picture.
The following Thursday, Miss Clara puts out the drawing paper and crayons. Grace sits down. She picks up a brown crayon, then a yellow one, then a red. Miss Clara watches from her desk. When Grace holds up her picture, something is different. It is still the small house, still the man and the little girl holding hands. But this time, above them, there are stars. A sky full of them, and in the top corner, very small but very clear, there is another figure, soft and bright, watching over them. Miss Clara walks over.
Who is that up there?
That's my mommy. My dad says she's somewhere on a trip, but she can still see us.
That's a beautiful thought.
I drew her bigger than the stars, because Daddy says she's bigger than everything.
Grace, this is the best picture you've ever made.
I know, because this time I put everyone in it.
James came to that meeting expecting to hear about a problem. Instead, he heard the truth about his daughter. And about himself. Sometimes it takes someone standing outside your life, looking clearly in, to show you what you have been too close to see. Grace was not broken. She was careful. She was loving. She was protecting the person she loved most. And the moment James gave her permission to need him, she gave him permission to be needed. That is how 2 people, small and tired and full of quiet grief, finally let each other in.